Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to talk about a new program that has been launched under the name of Protsahan. This program is particularly for the public administration foundation students who have finished their coaching and they are in the phase of revision and they want certain hand-holding approach in their answer writing. So in Protsahan, our focus is to revise the entire syllabus within the period of next 3 to 4 months so that you will be able to properly build a conceptual clarity and then you can resume your preparation after the results of prelim. So here we have divided the entire syllabus in about 140 micro topics and you will be getting questions, that is everyday 2 questions. It will be a weekly program, that is in a week you will get around 10 questions and you will be writing answers for those questions and then we will be assessing those questions and you will also get a elaborate handout. So we are going to see the format in which we have conceived the handouts. Before that, I just want to show you the way in which we have divided the topics. So for example, in the first week we have planned the topic of introduction. This is the syllabus and these are the questions that have been asked in previous 10 years. So if you can go by this analysis, particularly meaning, scope and significance, NPM and good governance, these topics have been in focus for the UPSC examination. And then the questions like topics like Wilson's vision, evolution, there are not many questions asked on certain topics. Accordingly, we have framed the questions. So it's not like that we are only focusing on this focused area, we are also focusing on the conceptual aspect so that we won't be ignoring a particular topic. So here you can see we have mentioned, so every week before getting into the next week you will get such handout so that you will understand what topic we are going to cover in coming week. And there you will also get to know the focus areas as well as linkages, that is the interconnectedness of the topic. So this is the aspect that many students face difficulty. Okay, so this is the nature and approach to deal with each of the topic. You can find this particular handout in the description. We will be providing PDF for this particular document. Once you receive the questions, your answers will be evaluated within 48 hours and then you will get model answers for this as well. We have created a particular format for model answers. So this is the format of a model answer. Now this was first question that was discussed. So you can see the question is, public administration can be defined as a socially embedded process of collective relationship, dialogues and actions to promote human flourishing for all. In this light of the statement, analyze the evolving nature of public administration. So this particular question comes from the Minobrook 3 definition that was given by Rosemary O'Leary, and we have just asked you to analyze the evolving nature of public administration. See, there are not many questions asked on the evaluation topic since the syllabus has changed, but nevertheless this particular aspect of syllabus remains very much relevant. So as you can see here, we have mentioned the question here, the topic and the micro topic, that is a subtopic inside the syllabus. Then we have listed the keywords. So whenever you will be writing answer for this question, you need to focus on these keywords. Perhaps you need to mention some of those keywords in your answer, or they should be in your memory while creating answer. After giving this question, we have also provided a context. So many a times it happens that a question occurs from a particular essay or there is a historical background for that particular question. So in this context, we have tried to give you a background or a understanding so that you will be able to decode a question in a better manner. So as you can see here, we have given the context of Minno-Brook conferences and the definition given by Rosemary O'Leary. Then actual content, that is the body of the answer, we have provided in the part of content. So there will be an introduction, and then we have discussed the points associated with the answer. Now we have tried to cover the answer, but we have also tried to maintain the word limit. So it's not like that just like a normal model answer, our focus is not on dumping the content. Rather, we are trying to maintain quality. Therefore, in our answer as well, we are trying to maintain the word limit as well, so that you will get exact understanding how an answer should be. Here we have created a section from a vantage point. So each topic of the syllabus is connected with certain other topics, as well as there are certain aspects of syllabus that UPSC is targeting or focusing more, or there are certain topics that are more relevant in the context of evolving nature of public administration or government of India. So we will be covering those topics here. Then there is this meter where we are mentioning significance of that particular topic based on previous year question. Now we have given significance for this particular aspect because of this COVID scenario and other developments. Role of the state has been highlighted role of the state is pretty much highlighted. Therefore we are given a higher weightage for this particular topic. Finally, in the bottom side you can see we have given special place for the conclusion. In the conclusion, we are giving one conclusion, but sometimes we are also going to provide more than one conclusion, so that you will understand that there are more than one way of answering a particular question. So here in the perspective, we will be also sharing the other ways that are possible to answer this particular question. Finally, there is this timeline mentioned, so that you will understand the timeline where that particular event has occurred. In this manner, we are trying to comprehensively answer this particular dimension, so that by just studying this handout, you will be able to understand various dimensions related with this particular topic. So we have adopted this approach for rest of the topics, and that will cover the entire syllabus. So in the weekly assessment, you will be getting about 9 to 10 questions, and you will get evaluation of those questions, and the entire process is online, and you will be able to understand the topic. Apart from that, there will be a Google Meet with the mentors, that we will be able to tell you what was the missing point, what was the linkages, or any other questions that you will be having related with that topic. There will be also a monthly meeting with Ashutosh sir or Mohanty sir, whichever the faculty is available, so that in that particular month, whichever topics we have covered, you will be able to raise your doubts and questions. So we have chosen this particular method because in the traditional test series, what happens is students have their inhibition that whether should I write answer or not, how I will be able to write answer, and that sort of questions. There is this resistance. So we wanted you to overcome those factors and start writing from the very basic level. Doesn't matter whether you are a first timer or you have written mains. Obviously, this particular approach will help you to consolidate your understanding, as well as it will give you confidence to write more. Another thing is, during these hours of the prelim is coming, so that there will be some hesitancy in your mind as well, that should I be devolving that much time for this particular answer writing aspect. But trust me, because there is very less time after the prelims, so we have to revise our optional properly and be ready with answer writing. So this about 140 to 160 handouts, they will give you proper direction for answer writing, and it will enrich your experience of entire preparation. So I hope you will be looking forward to join this course. Thank you.